गोवा में हाल ही ड्यूटी के
Everybody is coming to Goa nowadays. It's the election stage. Definitely Shiv Sena will fight some seats in Goa. And we are trying to make one alliance. Tomorrow we are going to talk with Congress leaders, NCP leaders. And we will try for make one new alliance.
same Mahavikas Agadi like in Maharashtra, sir?
Of course, the successful formula in Maharashtra will do it in Goa.
How many seats will Shiv Sena ask, sir, in Goa?
We will sit together and decide.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. चार दिन का दौरा है सर, for 4 days.
Who
Sir,
informed you I am coming here?
yes sir.
Who told you I am coming here?
To the media, sir.
You are a great personality, sir.
Sir, all the best.
Thank you.